It's a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD.
Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up. This Silverado 2500 HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover.
Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Intercooled turbo V8 engine, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror-mounted spotlights, electronic shift on the fly, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.